What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. Today I am really excited about making this video for you guys because we've had a lot of snowfall in northern Arizona earlier this week, and today we're going to go check it out. We're going to be driving out to Four Peaks Mountain, Payson, and Sedona, Arizona, and just get the bird up in the air and take a look and see what it looks like with some snow. Let's go! We are here. All right, we just made the turn off for Four Peaks Mountain, and this road is a little bumpy. I actually haven't been out on this road since I got my first drone back in November of 2018. So it's a little bit of a trip down memory lane for me. Alright guys, there you have it. A little glimpse of Four Peaks Mountain with some snow on it. I had heard people on Instagram say that the road was closed and you can't drive all the way out there like you used to. So I figured I'd try to drive a little bit further out there and see how far I could get. And sure enough, the road was closed. So it's not like I was going to be making it out there in this little Hyundai accent anyway. But, you know, I would go as far as I felt comfortable. But maybe later on in the year we'll come back and see how far we can get. Maybe we'll rent a Jeep. Who knows? Let's go to Payson. Alright guys, there you have it. Got to show you a little bit of Payson. Now, we're going to dart our way over to Sedona and hopefully get over there in time to get some really, really good shots of the mountains and the cliffs. It's only about 2 in the afternoon right now. It's going to take about an hour to get there roughly from Payson, and we'll get some shots along the way. I was here a couple weeks ago, and there were a couple little places between here and Camp Verde that I thought would be really, really cool to get some shots on the drone. Now that there's snow, that's just going to add to it, so I'll give you guys some shots of that, and we should be there very soon. Stay tuned. One thing I just wanted to say real quick, I have never really been to Payson or Sedona or even Camp Verde when there's been this much snow. There's been like a few flakes here and there, and maybe there's like patches of it still in the mountains and the hills, but I've never been up here when the snow has lasted this long. I mean, there's more snow up here than there is at Demi Lovato's house. Alright guys, so we were on the way to Sedona, and I saw this really cool place along the side of the road that I decided to pull over and fly the drone at. I'll give you a quick look here with my GoPro. There's a really cool butte, they call them, right there. I'll walk over this way and try to get a better view. Neato, there it is. Just another fun little cool thing to see in Arizona. So the entire way from Payson to Camp Verde, I've just been devouring this pepperoni pizza from Little Caesars. It's almost gone. But that's what you have to do to make it from Payson to Sedona and still drive back home to Phoenix tonight. You gotta eat on the go. There's no time to stop in and sit down for a warm meal. That was warm earlier. It's pretty cold now. But that's what you have to do, especially in the winter months when you only have limited daylight. Like, you gotta hustle, hustle, hustle. Is that Sedona? Is that Sedona? That is Sedona! Let's go. Oh, coming off the highway a little hot. Come on, slow down. Pump the brakes, pump the brakes, pump the brakes. There we go. Hey, a bump.
Please subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. My video skills don't pay the bills, but maybe in time, I'll get monetized.